2 champions, 1 track, and only 1 winner. The Safari Rally never disappoints.
Hold tight, we need this corner perfectly.
So how do you feel after winning the race?
I feel great, and it was a little bit tough, but I still won.
Give me a good motivation for my people out here.
Your future is quietly listening to your present habits. Every small decision today is shaping tomorrow. Success is rarely an accident.
Subscribe to Real Life Facts with Zipporah for more truth about life, and don't forget to hit that like button and share.